Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of internal server error on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of ChatGPT and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us